Good day, everyone. Yeah. Today happens to be our first class, and the topic on the board today is number-based system. Now, if we're talking about this number-based system, what I just really want us to understand concerning number-based system is that a number-based system comprises of four things that we really need to know. Number one, the decimal system. We have the decimal system, the binary system, the octal system, and the last one is the what? The hexadecimal. In this number-based system, we have all that particular kind of system. We have the trinary system, we have the quaternary system. But right now, we'll be dealing with the decimal system, the binary system, the octal system, and the hexadecimal system. Concerning the decimal system is when we are having it in base 10. When we are having it in base 10. The binary system is when we are having it in what? In base 2. Octal means when we are having the base as base 8, and hexadecimal is when we are having it as what? As base 16. Yeah. We have all that particular kind of number-based system. I said we have the trinary system, that is base 3. We have the quaternary, that's base 4, and so on and so forth. So now, firstly, we'll be talking about the decimal system. We'll be talking about what? The decimal system. Now, concerning the decimal system that we'll be talking about, the decimal system comprises of 10 numbers, which are what? 10 numbers of 10 digits, which are from 0 to 9. So the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the particular kind of numbers that comprises, that encompasses about this, what decimal system is talking about. Now, what I just really want us to understand concerning is that this decimal system is also used in the monetary way, that is in terms of money aspect. That is, for example, Nigeria 1 naira is equivalent to 100 kobo. It's also applicable to the USA in such a way whereby $1 is equivalent to 100 cents, and so on and so forth. Now, concerning this decimal system, we have what is called the expanded notation. We have what is called what? The expanded notation. Now, in this expanded notation is just trying to tell us how we can break down a particular kind of number in base 10 in an expanded form. Now, what does it entail? For example, if I'm having x at a base of 10, it means the expanded notation of x base 10 means in times 10 raised to the power n plus in minus 1 times 10 raised to the power n minus 1 plus n minus 2 times 10 raised to the power n minus 2 plus and so on and so forth. Now, concerning this, we'll have to solve some other examples concerning this. Now, let's try solving this particular question in an expanded notation. Number one, if we're having 3, 8, 5, 7. Yeah, that is, it is what? In base 10. We're having 3, 8, 5, 7. This is 3. 3, 8, 5, 7 in base 10. And note, if you are not giving anything in base 10, if they do not write any base there, you should know it is in base 10. So that's that. Now, concerning this 3, 8, 5, 7 in base 10, the first thing we usually do in number base is the what? We write from a decreasing order 0 from 0 to 1. That is, we are moving from 0, 1, 2, 3. That is increasing order. So here we 0, 1, 2, and 3 as the part of these decimal digits, this digit that is present here. So, to the solution of this expanded notation of this particular question entails that we are having 3 times the base, which is 10, all raised to the power of what? Of the power, which is 3, plus 8 times 10, all raised to the power of 2, plus 5 times 10, all raised to the power of 1, plus 7 times 10, all raised to the power of 0. So then we just really need to just expand it. So we are not done. We just really have one more step to this. So what does it entail? That is, we are having 3 times 10 raised to the power 3 means 10 in 3 places. That is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1000, plus 8 times 10 raised to the power of 2 means 10 in two places, which is 10 times 10, which is 100, plus 5 times 10 raised to the power of 1 means 10 in one places. That is, we can say 10 once. That is, that's 10. Then plus 7 times 10 raised to the power of 0 means 1. That is, anything raised to the power of 0 means 1. So here we will still talk about how we got to 1 when we are talking about the laws of indices. Then we will talk about all this and how it works. Do you understand? Thank you.